Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we have a super special unboxing to do. I finally got my hands on the Galaxy S9 Plus. I've waited so long for this and I bought not one but two of them. Yes, you heard me right. Now guys, nobody sponsored me these phones. I bought them with my own money. One is for me and the other one is for my dad. So in this video, I'll be unboxing both the phones simultaneously. Let's check out the box packing. You've got the S9 Plus logo here at the center in blue color. And it says 64 GB on the left and Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus on the right. There's nothing else on the front. Let's flip it over and see. Okay, you've got the specs of this phone here. It has a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED Quad HD Plus display, a super speed dual pixel dual 12 megapixel camera setup on the rear. It can also shoot super slow-mo videos at 720p 960 fps. Wow, that is super awesome. Has an 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera. Stereo speakers tuned by Akg, IP68 water and dust resistant, has a new intelligent scan technology, comes with 6 GB RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, and they also come with a pair of earphones tuned by Akg. So those were some of its features. Now no need to check out the other box because both are the same models. Let's get started with the unboxing. And the color of the phone I bought is coral blue. I bought both of them in the same color. They're also available in lilac purple and midnight black. But I was bored with black, that's why I went with the blue this time. Alright guys, let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this outer packing. So here is box 1. Let me also tear the cover on the other box. Okay, both of them are ready to be unboxed. Let's start with this one. The box slides out like this. I'm quite enjoying this, unboxing two Galaxy S9 Plus at the same time. You've got a seal over here. Let me just cut it with my knife. Okay, one down, one more to go. And that's done. Alright, we're gonna unbox both of them at the same time. On opening the box, we have another box at the top. I guess we've got some documents and stuff in it. Let's open it and check it out. We have a SIM ejection tool here. And what's this? Oh guys, Samsung is giving a free case with the phone. That is so cool. Along with that, you've got a quick start guide and a user manual. Just make sure to read them. So this is the case they are giving free with the phone. It's a transparent silicone case and the quality looks nice. There's nothing else in it. Let's keep it aside. And here they are guys, the Galaxy S9 Plus Duo. Look at those beauties. Wow. Let's take it out of the box. Oh my god. Beautiful phones. They don't feel that heavy looking at the size. They weigh about 189 grams each. And look at that color. Holy smokes, now that is what I call a flagship. The design is so seamless. Just look at the finishing on it. Super high quality. It's completely covered in Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and the back. We'll just keep one of them aside and check out this one, as both are the same models. It looks almost similar to the previous model S8 with some minor design changes. The S9 Plus has a 6.2-inch display, but the phone doesn't feel that big. It fits perfectly in my hand and feels comfortable to hold. We'll just keep it aside for now and see what else do we get in the box. You get an adaptive fast charger. It's a 9V 1.67 amp fast charger. Along with that, you get a USB Type-C to Type-A converter, a USB Type-C to regular USB Type cable for charging and data transfer, and you also get the special earphones that are tuned by Akg. Let me just take them out and show you. So these are the Akg Tuned Earphones. The build quality looks nice. They're hybrid canal type. I have to use them for some time before I can tell you how they sound like. And along with that, there's also a packet of extra earbuds in the box. So these were all the items we got in the box guys. Now let's check out the S9 Plus. First of all, let's peel these stickers on the front and the back. This is my favorite part of unboxing, peeling stickers. Whoa guys, just check out the finishing. Super premium. Let me also remove this label. This is how beautiful the back of the phone looks like. On the front, you've got the earpiece at the top, 8 megapixel autofocus selfie camera, few sensors and an iris scanner. There's nothing at the bottom. At the top, you've got a secondary noise cancellation mic and a SIM card slot. Let me just open the SIM tray and show you. It's a hybrid dual SIM model, So you can use 2 nano SIM cards or 1 SIM card and a microSD card. The storage is expandable up to 400 GB with the microSD card. You've got the power button on the right side, and this is how the bottom looks like. You still have the 3.5mm headphone jack, a USB Type-C port, a microphone, and a speaker. The Galaxy S9 Plus has stereo speakers tuned by AKG, so I'm really looking forward to see how they sound like. And on the left side you have the Bixby button and a volume rocker above that. Now let me show you the back of the phone. The back looks very sleek. You've got the dual 12 megapixel rear cameras here, one with dual aperture f1.5 and f2.4, and the other one is a telephoto camera with f2.4 aperture. Both the cameras have optical image stabilization. There's also a LED flash beside that, a heart rate sensor, and this time the fingerprint scanner is positioned in a much better location than the previous models. It's easily reachable and feels convenient to use it. Okay, let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. By the time it boots up, let's go through the specs of this phone. The Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus has a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED Quad HD Plus display, has Gorilla Glass 5 on both the front and the back. The Indian model comes with the Exynos 9810 octa-core CPU and the Mali G72 MP18 GPU. It has 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage, that's expandable up to 400 GB. And coming to the cameras, it has a dual 12 megapixel rear camera setup. One of them has a dual aperture f1.5 and f2.4. The other one is a telephoto camera with f2.4 aperture. Both of them have optical image stabilization and can shoot in 4K at 60 frames per second. And on the front, it has an 8 megapixel autofocus f1.7 camera. It runs on Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box, has 3500 mAh battery and weighs about 189 grams. So the phone has finally booted up and I've gone through the setup process. And this is its always on display with the Infinity theme applied. It also shows the home button at the bottom which you can 3D touch to wake the display. I've also set up the fingerprint scanner, guys. Let's see how quick it is. That is pretty fast. Unlocks very quickly. And it's also accurate almost all the time. So this is how the home screen looks like. It's running Samsung Experience 9 and the interface looks smooth and snappy. Looks like it's still completing the setup. And this is how the notifications panel looks like. I love the Infinity display. It has very thin bezels. The bezels at the top and bottom are even less than that on S8. Okay, let's check out the About phone. Software info. It's running on Android 8.0 Oreo. Let me show you the Easter egg. There you go. The Samsung Experience version is 9.0 and the security patch it's running is Jan 2018. Let's check out how much storage is available out of the box. This is a 64 GB model and out of that you get 49.9 GB. That's nearly 50 GB of free usable space. I still haven't installed anything on it. We'll check out the full features of this phone in another detailed video. This is just an overview. The S9 Plus has a lot of super new features like the intelligent scan, AR emoji, super slow-mo videos. I'll make special videos to cover all those features. Let's first check out the camera app on it. So this is how the interface looks like. Let's take a few photos and see how fast the shutter is. It's super fast, has zero shutter lag. Let me show you the 2x optical zoom. We'll check out in depth about the camera modes later. Let's see the settings. The max picture size is 12 megapixels and the S9 Plus can shoot in 4K at 60 fps in both H.264 and H.265 codecs. But I've heard that it can shoot only up to 5 minutes in this mode. We'll have to see about that. And the max picture size of front camera is 8 megapixels. This is that super slow-mo mode Samsung has been talking about. It can shoot in 960 frames per second at 720p resolution. That is so awesome, I can't wait to test it out. You've also got AR emojis, hyperlapse, live focus, panorama and pro mode. Now let me show you a few photo samples shot with this camera. From my initial impressions, the photos look very nice. I'll make an in-depth video on the S9 Plus camera, so stay tuned for that. So that was our double unboxing of the Galaxy S9 Plus. It's a very premium looking phone and has awesome features which I'll cover in my full review. This was just an overview. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.